Okay guys, we in the previous video talk about our take profit strategy, but it have many problems, as I say. What is the first problem? This strategy only work. This strategy only work if you make at least 50% profit. What it means? It means if you lose or your profit is lower than 50, your strategy is broke. You don't ever gonna make money. Let's see what happened in this strategy. Let's say in 10 trades or 10 positions, one position is making money. Okay, let's say we put the stop loss in 10%. 10%. What is happening? In the first trade, we lose 10% of our money, $10. In 9, we lose up to $90. Okay? But loss. But in one strategy, one that's going to make big, it go to 100. We bring back our 100, and our 50 is having chance to make it to a 200 or making to $20. What is happening if it's make more than it's 50 make more than 100 profit, we are good. But sometimes it make less than 100. In, for example, make $70. If it makes $70, our chart is like that. We are minus 90 and 17 profit. And when we sum it, we are $20 in the loss. How we can change this problem and make it useful? Our take profit strategy have many losses, but the important thing about our take profit strategy that we are forgotten is that we are going to take profit at 50%, but sometimes we need to think else for us to make money. How we can do that? For example, let's say we are going to take profit at 50%. It always come to here or not come to here. What we are going to do? We are going to make our chance more than 10%. How we can increase our chance? Let's say by doing the technical right, we increase our chance from 1 in 10 to 3 in 10. Now what is happening? What is happening now is that when we have 3 in 10 chance, it means we are 70 in loss, and we are 350 multiplied by 350 multiplied by each one of them can make more than from 20% to 2, for example, 20% to 2, 20% to 2. if it makes the lowest impossible, for example, we only from each of them get half of them as a profit, what is going to happen? We are $5 in profit. But the more important thing is that our first 50 sometimes gonna make $20, $100, $200, and one of our 50 is gonna make $2, $20, and one of our 50s are gonna make $10. But the important thing is that if we can increase our chance to 30%, we are going to make a lots of money. Okay, until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to create our strategy for start paper trading and then trading. If you have any question, answer me in the comments and I will answer you.